Yeah, so I am Atul Mehta. I am the CEO for domestic shipping at Shiprocket. At Shiprocket, we are enabling lakhs of merchants to be able to manage their e-commerce better. We help an entrepreneur from the start of their e-commerce journey, helping them with shipping, fulfillment, warehousing, cross-border marketing, capital, and a host of other things. Was a great experience at the panel, having few of our brands who we work with as co-panelists and discussing how the e-commerce and the homegrown brand journey in India is progressing and how they can access the global market. So all in all, it was a great panel experience and a great experience at the venue. I think, we are an enabler, and I think a brand needs a lot of enablers for them to succeed in their e-commerce or commerce journey. And I think CMPL connecting manufacturers with brands is playing a pivotal role in ensuring that a brand is able to focus a lot more on creating the brand story. Like they leave a lot of e-commerce thinking and operations and execution to us. They can leave a lot of manufacturing operations to the contract manufacturer. They discover at CMPL and focus on the brand story and crafting and thinking about what new value props they want to bring to the market. See, I think one thing which has worked for me is always don't be afraid of trying. Don't be afraid of failure. What's the worst which can happen? And when you start asking 5 whys, or what if I fail, what will happen, what will happen, what will happen, you realize by the end of the 5th why, you realize it's not a big deal. So whether it's asking questions in a panel, participating in any discussion, or taking any risk, by the 5th why, you'll realize it's such a small piece that you better do it rather than overthink about it. See, I think this will continue to grow. There's a lot more entrepreneurs which are going to get excited about new value props they want to bring to the market, and they're going to need help from enablers like contract manufacturers to be able to bring alive their story. So forums like CMPL are great opportunities and great networking events for brands to be able to identify those manufacturers and bring alive their story. So I think enablers or collaboration is how I'll put it. We are from a similar stream, so yeah,